Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about the process state diagram and the states of the process. Here there are 5 states in the process. First one is the new state, ready state, running state, wait or block state and terminated states. First we will discuss about the new state. In new state, the program whichever we want to execute, whatever we want to execute, program under execution we can call as a process. The program is in a secondary memory. Initially it is in a secondary memory. When we want to create a one process, that is a new state, that is called as process is about to create. Now whenever we want to run a program, then process is going to be created. At the time the program in a secondary memory, when the process is created, that will go to the ready state. The ready state is nothing but the RAM, the random access memory, that means primary memory. Now whenever we want to execute the program, that will reach to a ready state. In the ready queue is going to contain the list of processes what is going to be executed. This is a ready state. In the ready queue is going to contain all the processes. Next, after that, here the short-term scheduler is long-term scheduler is going to be the one which is going to schedule which processes need to be executed. That scheduler is going to be used for this scheduling the processes. In the ready state, after that, from the ready state it will go to the run state. The run state is nothing but actual execution, and CPU is going to execute the process. The process in a ready statement is going to be executing. Whenever it is executing, CPU is going to be execute that process. After that, after execution of the process, if it is successfully completed, then it is go to the terminated state. Means the process completion state we can call as a termination state. Means first initially it is in a secondary memory. When we want to create the process, when we want to run the program that is going to create the process, then that process is going to be created and the related information is going to stored in the ready state. From the ready state, it will go to the run state. The CPU is going to be ready queue is going to contain the list of processes, and the running state, the CPU is going to be execute that process. After completion we are going to get the terminated state. Here we have one more state, that is the wait or block state. Here whenever it is running the program, it may require the IO operations. That means IO operations are required whenever we are executing any program. So whenever it requires the IO operation, again it will go for the wait or block state. The wait or block queue is going to be there. In that it is going to be wait for the IO operations. If IO request is completed, the IO completed. After IO completion, again this process will go to the ready state. Here from the ready state to run state to wait state, IO operations require. If IO operation completions, again it will go to the ready state. Like that the process is going to be run in a computer. Here one more we want to discuss is priority or time slice. Here in a time sharing operating systems, some processes are in a ready state. Some amount of time one process is going to be execute. After that stipulated time, again it will send to the ready state. That time priority or time sharing we are going to use, time slots we are going to use, and that will again reach to the ready state. Again the next process will go for the run. This is the priority or time sharing. Sometimes from IO operations are more, sometimes it may go to the suspend state. That may go to the suspend state. Whenever the suspend state occurred, means that will removed from the primary memory. Again it will go to the secondary memory. Again it will reach to the primary memory, again it will go for the ready state. From suspend ready state, suspend wait to suspend ready state. These are the states of the process. First, whenever program we want to execute, that state we can call as a new state, means program is about to, process is about to creating. Now after creating the process, that will reach to the ready state. Ready state is nothing but the program is going to stored in the RAM, in the random access memory. That means the primary memory. From the ready state, whenever the CPU requests the process, then the process will reach to the run state. While running the program, if running the process, if it is completed, then we'll go for the terminated state. That will go to the terminated state. If whenever it is running, it requires the IO operations, again it will wait for the IO operation. IO request it is going to do. After IO request queue, again it is go to the wait_r block state. From wait_r block state, again it will go to the IO completion, again ready state. Like that the process is going to be complete. This is a process state diagram.